Hi there. In this video, we'll look at how to set the date and time on a vintage watch that doesn't have a quick set calendar function. If your vintage watch has stopped and the date is no longer correct, here's what to do. Start by turning the hands forward until the date changes. That tells us we've reached midnight. Now, instead of turning the hands forward another 24 hours to change the date again, there's a quicker way. As soon as the date changes, turn the hands back to around 8 o'clock, then forward to midnight again. The date will change once more. Repeat this back and forth motion, 8 to 12, back to 8, forward to 12, until you reach the correct date. This method saves time, just 8 hours of movement instead of 24. Once the date is set, you can adjust the time. If the current time is 5:10 in the afternoon, don't stop at the first 5:10 you reach. That's 5:10 a.m. Instead, keep turning the hands past 12 noon and then set the hands to 5:10 p.m. That way, the watch stays in the correct half of the day. Keep in mind, not all watches respond exactly to the 8 to 12 method. Some might trigger the date change in a smaller range, like from 9 to 12 instead. Others don't have this mechanism at all. In those, turning the hands backward moves the date backward, and forward moves it forward. But regardless of the method, the most important thing is to always make sure you're setting the time in the right part of the 24-hour cycle, AM or PM. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more watch-related tips.